How to check RAM on your computer or your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can check RAM on your laptop. So to do that, there are basically two ways on how you can do that. The first one is using the start and the second one is using the task manager. So let me go through both of the steps. So if you want to view it through the start, what you'll have to do is locate the start menu on your taskbar. After that, right click on it. After that, a bunch of various options will appear where you'll have to simply tap on the option system. Now it'll take you to the system page where you will be able to see that I have 8 gigs of RAM and 7.65 GB is usable. So that is one way on how you can see how much RAM you have on your laptop or your PC. Now the second method we're going to be talking about is the task manager method. So to open up task manager, go to your start and then where it says search, simply type in task manager. After that, the task manager will open where you'll have to simply tap on this option right over here, which is the performance tab. After that, on the memory, you can see that 7.7 gigs of RAM is usable. So you will be able to see your RAM in this place as well. So those were the two ways on how you can see RAM on your laptop or your PC. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.